Hey guys, Mortimax here. Today I'm going to show you how to lower your car in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC, but this will work in pretty much any version. Alright, so this is a picture of my first car. I got Peter here helping me wipe it down. Okay, this is an old picture that I just found. It's from the side, so it'll be easier to do, but you could do it from different angles. You just apply the same methods I'm about to teach you here now. So what you do is you go over here on this side and you find the polygonal lasso tool and you select that, and then you zoom in down here and you click once right here. Alright, and then you line this up with just the tippy edge of the car and go here, and just pretty much just trace the wheel well of the car that you want to lower in Photoshop. Just take your time. If you mess this up, you have to start all over again. And go under this right here. Go here. Same thing as the front. Repeat the same steps. Just be careful. Take your time. I'm not being so careful right now. If you want it to be perfect, you can zoom in and do it in more detail. But I'm just doing it to show you guys. So then you select the car. Make sure to select the exhaust as well. Just trace around it. And then make the selector flat and click once. And go all the way up. Zoom out. Go all the way up on top of the picture. All the way up the other side. And then come down here and click here. And it'll make it selectable. And then what you do is you click this thing, which is the selector or the move tool as they call it, and you just pretty much just grab the car and move it down. Sometimes it won't look so good because your wheels won't be big enough, but that's a topic for another video. And then you go back to your lasso tool and deselect. The next step would be to crop your image to get that part out. And then just a little bit over here to get this part out. Of course, you gotta leave Peter in there because he helped us so much. He's an important aspect of this picture. So here you go, lowered CG2 Accord, or whatever car you want to do. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned from this video. If you need any help, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to help. Hippity hoppity. So yeah, guys, take care.